So once a day I get, well, alerted by these guys that I need to go outside and give them food. So I come out here, I'm trying to do this because I've got a thing of nuts in here. And the first thing I'll do is I'll sometimes give one of them to just this guy because he waits around. That's a walnut, I get those. But then I ring this thing 4 times. Let me put that down for now. This kind of makes them all aware that the feeding's going to begin. Alright, so let me go out there. Have to be careful I don't fall. These stairs are very icy now. They don't like carrots, I guess. Sometimes the deer come by and they'll eat the carrots. But I'll put these all over the ground. And then I'll put some on top. Usually if there's something really good, I'll put it up on top and there. So that's what I do. And then I head back. Sometimes there's 1 or 2 of them to greet me, and I have 1 more nut in my pocket. And the last thing to do is to ring that bell 4 times again. I should probably do it in, like, I ring it once to let them know I'm coming, and then 4 times to let them know I'm done or something like that, or maybe 4, just so that there's a difference. Not that they can count. I almost fell there. All right. 4 times. Now, why I've decided that 4 was the good number, I don't know. There's one. But they'll all run over there. Alright, this is about a minute later. I probably should have just kept rolling. So they come from all over the place. There's one way back there, 2 in the trees. But they come from all over the place. They can hear that bell from way over there. That one thought there would be something up on the deck. I've not put anything up on the deck in a long while because otherwise they just hang out there. Now there are birds out there. The blue jays come by is what happens usually. The most I've seen out there were 22. So what are we seeing out there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them. I don't see any more in my peripheral vision to see if there are any other ones coming, but it's pretty cool. Nature. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so how many we got out there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's one behind that thing, and a boatload of birds. I didn't even put anything out for the birds. I've got some cornmeal out there because the squirrels aren't interested in that. Otherwise, if I put little tiny nuts on there, like bird seed-ish type stuff, and the squirrels go after that. So it kind of separates them.